So in this video we are going to learn about the basic Arc-Gis. I have already uploaded one video regarding Arc-Gis, basic Arc-Gis. So let's start today. So at first we have to learn how to import data. Okay, so how? Just look over there. This is a plus sign. Just click on that plus sign. So you'll get in pop-up window. Add data. Okay. Let's go on. Something is wrong. So just you have to click on that add data option, and from that plus sign, over that plus sign, you will connect the folder. Okay, where is your data? Just click on that connect folder, you get this one. Okay. Suppose in my case this Pradeep, just click on that. So my data is inside Windows A folder, and go down. So there is in folder is tutorial. Look at tutorial. Okay, just click on that. And then close this one. Just then go to add data and click over there. Over there you will find that if look at this tutorial. Okay, just click on that. Add, and suppose I'm going to add dim data. Click on that, dim, add. Okay, look at that, it's open. Okay, and there is another method how to import the data. I'll remove this one. Just go to the tutorial folder. They will see the dim folder. Okay, there's a file, dim file. Just select this one and grab by clicking select after select and then grab this thing in Arc-Gis and then open it automatically. Just what I have to do, just select and simply grab and open it. Okay, this is the two method how to import the data inside the Arc-Gis. Okay, and after open it, suppose I want to change the color. So what you have to do, just simply double click on that color option, color bar, double click, you will see option. Okay, then change as per the need. Okay, and if you want to see the properties on that file, so I will see, just simply select this file and then left click and look at that the properties. Okay, click on that. And over there you will find different option, layer properties, like general option is a name, simply name. If you want to change the name, then simply change the name like that. Elevation, elevation. Okay, in my case. Okay, just apply. Look at that, over there is elevation. Okay, the name is previous name was name, it's change. And then source means the file option. Okay, the file name was previous name was name is primary name over there, and where the file is located, if tutorial name. Okay, and then you'll find different option, raster information. Okay, number of band and cell size over there. Okay, so if you want to change the cell size, then you have to change the projection. Okay, then it's automatically change. I will show you how to change the projection. And then the uncompressed size and the format. Okay, source type, pixel depth, no data value. Okay, and then you will find the top and extent, latitude, longitude, and special reference. Okay, angular unit. Okay, data. When you will change it, you will change it, it's mean when you will project this raster, you will see this option will be changed. Okay, so let's show you how to change it. Okay, and then key data option, extend, okay, display over there, and symbology. From there you can change the symbology. Okay, suppose this one, apply. Okay, these things. Okay, so in right now we will change the projection. Okay, okay, project the. So simply go to Arc toolbox. Okay, look at that, over there is Arc toolbox. Okay, okay, and if you don't find the Arc tools over there, just simply right click on that. Okay, you will find it over there. Okay, different kind of option is over there, and if you not find over there, then you have to add. I'll show you how to add. Just simply click on that thing, the option Arc toolbox or Arc toolbox over there, and go to data management tool, and then go to projection and this raster option, and then project raster. Click on that. And then just simply input file is elevation, this dim file, and then this input coordinate system. Okay, it was before, look like that over there, input coordinate system was that, and then I have to change the coordinate system over there. Okay, output coordinate, just simply click on that and select project coordinate system. Okay, and then go to UTM, and then WGS 1984 Northern Hemisphere. In my case is Northern Hemisphere. I have selected WGS 1984 UTM zone 43, and then click OK, and then select the folder where you want to save. Okay, in my case it's a tutorial, if tutorial, and dam, and it's a dam project, PROJECT project. Okay. And then you will see is XY value is change. Okay, and then just simply click OK. It's running till now. You simply click OK. Look at that. Pending JProcessing process warning. It's running, and before the previous file, cell size XY is in angular unit. Okay, what is angular unit, and it will be changed right now. Okay, after the project. It's take too long time. It's done. Okay, then just simply right click, select the file, and then properties. The, Look at that. The cell size XY is changed. But in the previous file, the elevation file, if I checked properties, it was in angular unit, and look at that, there is a special reference. Okay, linear unit, there is no linear unit, angular unit, and data. Okay, but if I check this one, okay, cell size is change, and look at that special reference is change, and linear unit is meter, angular unit is what they are. Okay, each and everything is change. Okay, so if I delete this one and need to change the color, like select the file and then go to properties and symbology, sorry, and then stretch, and then change the color. Okay, and then apply. Look at that, it was automatically changed. So till now we have learned how to import the data and how to change the color palette and how to project the raster file, okay, using project raster, which is located in data management tool. Okay, so let's learn another important thing in Arc-Gis. Okay, so then suppose the file is like that. Okay, if you want to zoom the file, okay, then what you can do, just simply click, select the file, and then left click, and look at that, there is option zoom to layer. Okay, just click zoom to layer. Look at that, file is like that. What you have to do, after selected the file, then click zoom to layer. Okay, and then there is another option, look at that over there, fixed zoom in and beside fixed zoom out. If we fixed zoom out, click fixed zoom out, then it will be small. Okay, look at that, small. And fixed zoom in means zoom out. Or look at that, the size is increasing. And if you want to select particular file, there is an option is select element. Okay, select element. If you click on select element, then the file is not moving. That, look at that, when you are going to move this file is not moving. Okay, then you have to do, just simply click on the pan option, which is like a hand, 5 finger. Just select on that, and then you can move the file, okay, easily. Okay, this is the two most important thing. Okay, then let's see how to select a file. Okay, just remove this one, then I'm going to add another file. Look at the, I'm going to add a shape file. Okay, suppose this is Saudi Arabia shape file. Saudi Arabia shape file, just zoom to layer. Okay, then how to select, I'll show you two type, how to select the file, two types. Okay, then simply click this option. Okay, like select element over there, just click on that. Then if I want to select this portion, this, okay, how to, just simply click on that. Look at that, this portion is selected. Okay, after clicking select element, just you have to click which part of this file you want to select. Okay, suppose I want to select this one, just click on that, it was selected. And if I want to unselect, then what you have to do, just simply click anywhere of the Arc-Gis. Okay, anywhere of the Arc-Gis, just click on that, it was unselected. Okay, and then how you have to select another type. Okay, just simply click on that and then left click, open attribute table. Okay, open attribute table, and if you want to name If you want to know the name, already know the name, then which one to select? Suppose I'm going to select I'm going to select Al Madina. Okay, Al Madina, Al Madina. Just simply click on that. Look at that. This is select. Okay, it's already selected. If you want to select multiple file, then you have to do just select Shift, click Shift, and then select. Okay, okay. Look at that. If you want to select all of these, then what you have to do? Just select on the R file and then click Shift and directly select the NOR on. Okay, each and every file is selected. Okay, then how you have to unselect? Just simply click on that anywhere of the Arc-Gis. Okay, suppose I want to know this portion of this map. Okay, what is the name of this portion of this map? I don't know. How you know? Just simply click on the identify option, I button. Okay, just click on that and then simply you have to click on that. Okay, look at that, is loading. Okay, look at that. The name is Saudi Arabia, country name is Saudi Arabia, and the name one, which name is as Sir Kia, as Sir Kia. Okay, type 1 is Emirates, Manita, type 1 region. Okay, suppose you want to know this portion name, maybe this portion. Okay, just simply click on that. Look at that. Okay, Al Madina. This is the Al Madina, Saudi Arabia. Okay, so using this identify option, you will easily know what is the name of this region. Okay, and if you want to select particular region, then you can click on that select element option. Otherwise, you have to go the open attribute table and select one by one. Okay, or every region with at the same time clicking the shift button. Okay, so this is the basic part of ArcGIS. Okay, and then suppose if you want to insert anything, okay, insert anything, then there is a lot of options over there. I'm going to show you. Okay, step by step. Just let you know one thing. Just if you want to don't know anything and know the name. Suppose I have shown you project raster. You know the project raster how to do it, but you are not find in the Arc toolbox. There's an option. Go to direct Windows and click on that. There is an option is search. Okay, click on that search option. There is a new window is open. Just click right on that PRO JCT project raster areas TER. Okay, then click OK. Okay, it's a very interesting tools in ArcGIS. Okay, look at that, there is a project raster. Okay, which is located in already inside the data management tool. Okay, and suppose there is an in this tutorial I am inside the tutorial folder. Okay, and again you have to go to tutorial folder and grab the file inside the ArcGIS. So I don't want to grab any file from the tutorial page to ArcGIS. I'm directly input the file. How? Just go to simply Windows option and there is an option is catalog. Okay, with the help of this catalog option you will able to directly input file in ArcGIS from your computer. Just click on this catalog option. Look at that. Okay, it's a very interesting thing in ArcGIS. Look at that. There is a folder name. Each and every folder is over there. Okay, each and every folder. Okay, suppose I want to go to tutorial page. Okay, look at there is an if and tutorial page. In this tutorial page each and everything is over there which is located already in my computer. Okay, So I want to import any raster file like a Lancet, maybe Lancet. Okay, this is band number 7. Okay, suppose I want to input the band number 7. Just simply click on that and grab and left. Look at that. Okay, if I zoom to layer, this is the Lancet 7, Lancet 1, band number 7. Okay, so it's a very interesting tool in Arc-Gis. So you can use this one, and then suppose I removing this one. Okay, remove this one. Okay, and then how to save this project. Okay, how to save this project? Just click on that file option. Look at that save as. Click on that save as. Okay, and then go to the computer, and you have to found the folder. Suppose in my case is if and go to tutorial. Look at the tutorial and just name it tutorial. Tutorial. Okay, and then simply click OK. Okay, it's already saved. Okay, then suppose I don't want this project, just cross this one. Okay, cross, and then just simply go to this my tutorial folder. Look at that, there is a mxt file is already saved. Okay, when I am opening this file, my previous project will be back. Okay, just simply click on that. It will take few moments for opening the file. It's opening. So my computer is a little bit slow. Okay, right now I have no idea why it's working slow, and that is why it's taking time. Sorry. Look at that, it's open. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to show you the other features of this Arc-Gis. Okay. So I simply cut all of this folder. Okay, and then go to the Art toolbox. Okay. Suppose you want to create layout of this map. I can then what you have to do. I have already created another video how to create layout, but I am let you show how to create. Just simply click on that option, layout view. Okay, layout view. Before layout view, you have to select the page setup. Okay, look at that option. Go to file option, click on that, and then page and print setup. Okay, click on that. Look at that. In my case, I select it always. I select landscape, and then click on scale map element, and then click OK. Okay, and then go to the other layout view. Click on layout view. Look at that. It's already in layout view. Okay, just simply click zoom to layer, Okay, then select as far as you need. Okay, increase the length and then use zoom, fixed zoom in. Okay, look at that, it increasing. Okay, over there. And then how we have to insert the grid and others as well as the others thing, a check in my video and I'll show you in my another video. Okay, then go to simply this option. Okay, and then what you have to do, go back to the layout view. Okay, how you are going to make a layout. After page setup, go to layout view and then insert the different thing, like click on insert and scale bar. Okay, select on scale bar. Okay, I want to create, just select this one, select this one and okay, it's loading. Okay, look at that, the scale is already load. Just put it over there. It's in mile. If you want to change it, then simply left click, go to properties, and then there is an option is kilometer, division unit, select kilometer, and please short the name km. Okay, apply, and then okay, okay, it's automatically over there. And then if you want to use insert the north arrow, okay, just select insert, go insert, and then north arrow. Okay, in my case I select always R3 not 7. Okay, click this one. Okay, it's automatically over there, just input over there, and okay. And then suppose you want to add title, just simply click on insert and title. Okay, and then just simply click on the insert and the insert one image. Okay, just okay, it's over there, and just input, keep it inside the layout and just select, left click and select properties, because I'm going to increase this size. Just write it over down, L and D insert one image. Okay, and then select change symbol, just click on change symbol if you want to change this size. Okay, and there is an different symbol as well as the others option inside the change symbol. Okay, it will take few moments, like a 10 to 20 second, it's automatically doing it. And then I'm going to change the text size type, text type. Okay, in the it's over there Arial. Suppose I need a Times New Roman. Okay, just write down Times New Roman. Okay, in your from your keyboard, just write down Times New Roman and then select. And suppose I want to change the size, it's 16. In my case it would be 26. Okay, if you want to use bold, just click bold, otherwise italic, otherwise underline, otherwise streak through. In my case I'm going to use bold, just click on bold, and then okay, there is a different option is available over there, you can if you want to use. So in my case bold, and click ok, and then apply. Okay, okay, look at that, the size of this text is already increased. Okay, so if you want to add the coordinate system, just simply click on layout view and then left click, go to properties, and then grid option, select grid option over there's a lot of option available on this data frame properties. Just you have to simply click on grid option, and then grid option you have to click the new grid, and then next. Okay, just I know I want to add the labels only, not graticals or label. Okay, just label, and then next, and then next, and finish. Okay, and then apply. Okay, look at that. There is in latitude, longitude is over there, but one thing is over there, the size is very small. The size is very small, and it's not along the line. It's not along the line. Okay, so I'm going to adjust it. Okay, how? Just simply right click on that layout view and then properties and go to again properties. It's loading. And then over there again type from keyboard times sorry, in my case it will be times New Roman. Select size should be 10. Bold, not bold, just simply click on that level orientation. Okay, level orientation. Okay, vertical level. Okay, vertical level I want to left and right. Okay, just click simply left and right, and then I have already increased, maybe is 12. Okay, then apply. Okay, if you want to change the interval, click on the interval. Suppose in my case it should be 0, not 1 degree. It should be 40 second, sorry, 40 minute, 40 minute. Okay, not 1. If I am using 1, then latitude and longitude is very few. If I want to increase, then it's minute. Okay, from 1 degree to 40 minutes. 0 degree 40 minutes, 0 degree 40 minutes. Okay, then there's another option is available. Just simply apply. Okay, and then apply. Okay, look at that. The latitude and longitude is number is increase and also size is increase, and the latitude longitude is along the line. Okay, so this is the very basic thing how to make a good layout. There's an others and option is available, so I'm not going to use, but one thing I am going to use how to add the legend. Okay, it's very most important thing. And then you have to go to simply insert option and then legend, and then look at that there is a one file, so just simply click on next. It will take few moments. Look at that, it's loaded. Then next, 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 finish. Okay, look at that, it's automatically over there. So suppose in my case the name is very big, so I want to change the name. How to change the name? From the beginning of this video I showed you. Just simply right click, left click, properties, general, and suppose in my case V7, band 7. Okay, Lancet, Lancet 1, band 7. Okay, apply. Okay. Sorry. Okay, look at that is the changes over there, and just simply move it over there where you want to keep it inside the layout view. Okay, suppose I want to change the color view, so then what you have to do, just simply click on, double click on this color panel, color ramp, and then select any color from that. Okay, so this is the very basic layout map in Arc-Gis, how to insert the title, north arrow, latitude, longitude. Okay, change the latitude, longitude number, and how to keep it along the border, and how to insert the scale, and how to insert the legend. Okay, this is the very basic thing. Okay, and then I'll show you more another thing. Okay, how to do it? Suppose I am going to delete all of these things. Okay, remove, delete. Okay, delete these things. I don't want these things. Okay, okay. Just simply go to the panel. I show you. Go to Windows catalog. How to insert the catalog. So in this catalog, I am already inside the tutorial folder. So Saudi Arabia. Okay, Saudi Arabia administration from this one. Just simply on this. So suppose I want to extract Al Madina. I want to extract Al Madina from this Saudi Arabia map. I want to extract Al Madina from this Saudi Arabia map. So how to extract? Simply click on select element. Okay, select element, and after clicking the select element, then just simply click on that Al Madina. So suppose I don't know what is the name of this region. So how I know? How I know? Just simply click on this identify option and then click on that option. Look at that. This is Al Madina. So I want to extract this region from this Saudi Arabia map. Okay. Then simply click on the select element and click on that select, and then what you have to do, just simply click Saudi Arab SAU ADM1 and then left click, go to properties. No, what you have to do, go to data. Okay, go to data and export data. Okay, and then simply select the folder. So in my case it's if tutorial. Okay, so I am going, this is Saudi Arabia and new folder Al Madi Al Madina Al Madina. Okay, select and change the name of this file Al Madina, and then okay, and then okay. Okay, do you want to add the exported data to the map as a layer? Yes. Okay, look at that, the color is changed. It's mean it's already exported. Okay, just simply if I am going to uncheck SAU ADM1, just simply unchecked. Look at that, this file is already exported. So how I zoom this file? I show you two things. This fix zoom in. Just simply click on that. Okay. Otherwise, just select Almadina and then zoom to layer. Look at that. Okay. This file is exported. Okay. So let me show you other things. How to add the labels. How to add the labels. Okay. How to add the labels all of this region. Just simply click on that properties, and then you have to go the, look at that over there, label option. Label option. Just click on the label. I'm going to check another thing. This is the, okay. Look at that. It's already opened. Before I am inserting the label, I'm going to check another thing, attribute table. Okay, how to check attribute table? Just simply click or select the file and then left click. Look at that attribute table is out there. So how to check the attribute table? Select the file and left click and open attribute table, and then look at that, the attribute table is over there. Okay, so in this file, in this file look at that, name 1 is the actually region name. Okay, name 1 is the region name. Okay, you have to check it using attribute table. I'm will show you two things, name 0 and name 1. Okay, name 1 is Saudi Arabia, name 1 is Saudi Arabia, name 2, name 1 is and then simply left click properties, sorry, name 0 is Saudi Arabia and name 1 is region. It's opening. Look at that, I have already opened. That is why it's already don't take too much time. And then just simply check label option. Okay, and then which label you want to add. I have already opened attribute table and showed you name 0 is Saudi Arabia. If I click name 0 over there and apply, look at that, there is a Saudi Arabia. Okay, each and every region named is Saudi Arabia because the country name is Saudi Arabia. In attribute table, name 0 is Saudi Arabia, represents Saudi Arabia. So if I am going to change the label field like name 1, name 1 is region name. Okay, apply. Okay, look at that, each and every region name is changed from Saudi Arabia to their own name. Okay, so this is Al Madina, this is Tabuk, this is Hail, this is Riyadh. Okay, Najran, Asir, Zizan. Okay, this is the Makkah, and this is the Alba. This is the name of this all region. Suppose you want to change the size of this name, how to change? This is Arial. If you want to change, in my case is Times New Roman, just Times New Roman, and select and then go to size of the text 12. If you want to bold, I'm not going to use the bold option right now. Then click OK. Okay, look at that, the all of this text size is increased. Okay, so if you want to extract any region from a particular shape file, so in this 2 or 3 or 4 minutes I have shown you how to extract a small portion from a shape file and how to insert the label name and how to increase the size of the label. Okay. So this is, look at this one, Al Madina. So if you want to change the color of this, so just simply click on the, okay, and then fill color. Okay, fill color and this color. Okay, okay, look at that, this color is already changed. Okay. So this is the basic things in ArcGIS, how to extract a region from a shape file and how to add the labels and change the label size. Okay, all of this thing. And then let show you another thing. Okay, so I'm going to open Arc Toolbox, and then there's a different option. I'm removing all of these things. Okay. At first, explore georeferencing, which is very important. Suppose if I have a image file, suppose if I have an image file of Delhi, which is the capital of India, New Delhi. New Delhi actually is the capital of India, and the image file is nearly 1850. Okay, during the Sultan period. During the Sultan period, I have an image. So I want to match the latitude, longitude with the recent world, with the recent world. So how you can add this latitude longitude? Okay, suppose I have an image I have an image which is nearly 2015 in Indian Sundarban region, and how I want to add latitude longitude. How to add? Just simply use georeferencing tool. Sorry, I have created video how to georeference using any image. Okay, and there is an option is edit option. Okay, suppose this Saudi Arabia Al Madina shape file I am in imported. Suppose I want to change the name. Okay, suppose I want to change the name or anything. In my case, I want to add any field. Okay, add field. Okay, name. Add field is name. Okay, simply name. Okay, but I am not going to write anything inside this name folder. Okay, how I write? For this purpose, you have to select editor option. Click on that, start editing, and then look at that. Okay, suppose Madina. Okay, if I have done any spelling mistake, please forgive me. Madina. Okay, and then simply click on save edits. Okay, so in this case it will be number. Okay, 1, and then save edits and stop edits. Look at that. If I'm going to change anything, it will be not change. Then you have to edit the start editing option, then click. Maybe it should be 100, 1000 population is over there. Okay, then 5 digit is the highest number. The population is 1000, and then save edits and then stop edits. Okay, so I don't want this thing, so just simply delete this field. Okay, so using editor option you can edit anything. Okay, so this is the basic thing of Arc-Gis, which is very important. Okay, so there is another different kind of option. Okay, different type of, if you want to add any like a line, if you want to add any line, just simply click on that. Okay, like that. Okay, and if you want to add any rectangular, suppose rectangular, this one. Okay, just simply click on that. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, it's a drawing. It's a, what is the drawing option? Drawing option is over there. Okay, so this is the basic thing inside the ArcGIS. Okay, and then I'm going to show you others ArcGIS toolbox. Okay, this is the basically analysis tool. Okay, over there, if you want to extract anything like a clip, when clip is sorry, when clip is used, basically if you want to clip any region from a vector file. Vector file means shape file. Suppose this Saudi Arabia administration 1. Okay, if you want to extract this Al Madina from this region. Okay, in this case you should use clip. Okay, from a vector file, if you want to extract any small region, then you have to use the clip, and then select, split, and other option is available. And statistics, there are different kind of statistics is available. Summary statistics, tabulated intersection and frequency. Okay, and then conversion tool. which is very important. Okay, suppose we have a data, we have a raster data. Okay, we have a raster data. Suppose uh, this the projected name is over there. I'm going to delete all of these things. How we select all two things at the same time? Just simply click that file and then select shift and then click other file. Okay, then left click and remove option. Okay, this is how you will remove any files. Just click on remove. Just this file is not showing over there. How to show? The simply select the file and zoom to here. Okay, and change the color ramp, symbology and stretch, and then change the color ramp. Okay, any color you want to as far as you need. In my case, suppose you want to wire conversion tool. Suppose you have a raster file. In my case, I have this raster file, and if you want to create raster to point data. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly because it will take too long time. It's a very big file. Suppose you want to create raster to point file. Okay, point based. It's a 30-meter resolution file. Look at that. It's a 30-meter resolution file in the source option. So each 30-meter cell size you will get a single point. I'll show you another video how to create raster to point. Okay, just simply click on that raster to point. Just select dem project. It's taking too much time. Okay, and then value count. Okay, select the attribute table. Okay, look at that count and value. Okay, okay, value means elevation. Okay, value means elevation because it's elevation file. Okay, suppose I want to extract elevation. Okay, which is located in value, and select the file raster to point, which will be create an okay raster to point. So I'm simply abbreviation RTP is a feature class. Feature class means shape file. Okay, just simply click OK. It will take long time. Maybe it's take 5 to 7 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes. So this is the basic option, the raster to point file, and using like this you can convert any raster file to ASC double I file, float file, raster to point file, polygon file, raster to polyline file, raster to video file. Okay, this is the basic conversion. Okay, this is the basic conversion file. And then how there's a different option is available, like okay, from KML to layer. Suppose you have a file from Google Earth Pro. Google Earth Pro, because if you want to create any shape file or any boundary file using Google Earth Pro, okay, for your study area purpose. Suppose you have done a field visit, and on the basis of this field visit you will create a shape file. So in this case you have no shape file in your study area. So using Google Earth Pro you will create an KML file. Okay, KML file means boundary layer. Okay, it's like a Google Earth Pro. Google Earth Pro, just click on that, and then this KML file will be selected in your specific folder, and if you want to create these if you want to create this KML file to layer, means a shape file, then you will convert using this option. You will convert this KML file to shape file using this option. Okay, suppose this is, and I want to create, I will show you in another video like this thing, so how to convert it at polygon, suppose like that. Okay, it's a very basic thing. Okay, I'm not going to show you. I'm not going to show you right now. I'm not going to show you right now. So just simply minimize these windows, and I'll make another simple video how to create an KML layer and KML file to layer file using Google Earth and Arc-Gis. Okay, so this is very important option in Arc-Gis Pro, how to create your own boundary layer to shape file. Okay, it's taking too long time. Suppose in my case I'm going to cross this one. It's not working. Okay, close this program. Okay, and then open again. Sorry for the disturbance. So this is the basic thing. So I'm using my laptop. Okay, my laptop is not very powerful. Actually, I'm using my computer desktop always. But right now I'm using my laptop. So this is the basic thing. So if you want to learn more about Google Earth Pro, how to use it, okay, I'll make another video. Okay, how to use this thing, how to use Google Earth Pro. So I make very few videos how to use Google Earth for different kind of uses, like if you want to create a dim file, contour file, elevation file, okay, slope map using Google Earth Pro, then you can visit my channel, and there is in video is available. Okay, it's still now opening. Okay, let me show you. Look at, there's an option is available, North Bengal KNG. I'll show you. It's open. Just give me a few moments. Let me show you how to create an KML file. Okay. Suppose I'm going to create this one, because I know this place is very much. So suppose what you have to do, just simply click on that. Okay, add add polygon. Okay, add polygon and then add link and then just simply click on that like this one. Okay, just simply click on that. Okay, and then just name KML. Okay, KML and then okay, it's already selected. Okay, save as place, save my place. Okay, otherwise save place as okay, save place as KML. So in my case, I'm going to use if and tutorial. I have a folder over there layer to KML. Okay, so I'm use boundary KMG. Okay, and then what you have to do, just simply go to Arc Toolbox. And then just give me one moment.